Hello there, this is the first in a series of 5 videos where I talk about how I go about creating a video for YouTube. In this episode I'll explain how I get an idea for a video. There are 3 main ways that I get ideas for videos. Sometimes I'll go out for a walk or a drive and I'll think, ooh, that would make a good video.
Oh, what are those? That'd make a good video. Oh, look at that thing. That'd make a great video. That'd make a good video. That would make a good video. Look, that would make a good video. Ooh, that would make a good video. That would make a good video. Oh, that would make a good video. Oh, that would make a good video. That would make. Oh, that would make a good video.
Or I'll see a beautiful structure and think, wonder what that would look like for a drone's eye view. Or I'll just see a beautiful bit of scenery and think, I need to share that with people. Inspiration sometimes comes to when I'm thinking about the technical aspects of Lassie, my wee drone, and I see a different way to show a technical point. Like for example, when I decided to play hide and seek with wee Lassie, didn't we? We had a great game of hide and seek, we did. Do you fancy a game of hide and seek? So she's excited about that. Right, Camden, we're going to play. Right, here's how it's going to work. Just to illustrate how the Find My Drone app works. When I get inspired to make a video, I do a search on YouTube to see if there are other videos like the one that I've been inspired to do. And if there are, I look at them and I think, is there some way that I could do the same video but differently? Or is there a point that I think they've missed out that I can maybe elaborate on? Not that long ago, quite a lot of video creators in the drone niche were making the same video, and it was all about how to hack, there's that word again, hack, how to hack the DJI Mini 2 so you could simulate auto track on it. Now I found that a really interesting subject and I thought I'm going to make a video on that, but I don't want it to be the same as everyone else's. So I came at it from a slightly different point of view. I expanded it on a few things that the other creators had said, and I added a few things of my own in a kind of Windswept Robert style, if you like. Often my viewers will ask me in the comments to cover a certain topic, or I'll see something that somebody has commented on and I'll think, oh, that might make an interesting video.
Oh, that would make a good video.
John, who's one of the members of the channel here, once saw a video with a chimney stack with white smoke coming from it, and he commented and asked me, would Lassie like to fly through that? I asked her and she said, aye, I would like to fly through that. And so I made that video. No matter what way I come up with an idea for a video, before I commit to making that video, I think to myself, is this a video that my viewers would be interested in watching? And is there a chance that this video might bring in some more viewers? I use a tool called TubeBuddy to help me with this. It allows you to do Google search trends, keyword searches, different things like that kind of help to make me decide, is this a topic that quite a lot of people are interested in, or is no one searching for this at all and no one's interested? And that helps me decide whether I commit to making the video or not. If you look in the description box of this video, there's a link to TubeBuddy, and it's my affiliate link, which means if you click on it, I'll make a couple of cents. So I have an idea for a video. I think my viewers are going to be interested in it, and I think it might even bring in some new viewers. TubeBuddy says that there are a lot of people interested in this type of video, so it looks like I'm good to go. In the next video I'll talk about how I go about planning the video once I have the idea. In the meantime, here's some clips to the videos that I spoke about in this video. Give us a thumbs up, I'm out of here.